ChatGPT Pro review, ChatGPT Pro versus free, ChatGPT Pro worth it. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about two of the greatest plans for the same software, and this software is called ChatGPT. Now, I'm pretty sure you all are well known and well analyzed with what this is. ChatGPT is one of the greatest AI chatbots out there that allows you to talk to the chatbot and get any type of answers to any type of questions. Now, it's hard to recommend the paid version of ChatGPT when ChatGPT Free offers a near equivalent experience for most people. Both use the latest GPT 4.0 model, which is fast, comprehensive, and largely accurate. Now, the main difference is that ChatGPT Free will revert back to the 3.5 model if you've been asking it too many questions or if the traffic is high, and ChatGPT Free does not have access to the DALL-E 3 image generator. So, let's go ahead and talk more detail about it. Now, ChatGPT Pro gives you a $20 upgrade, okay? So basically, you're going to be paying $20 more to upgrade the plan. And if we come over to upgrade plan, as you can see, the Pro plan is $200, where you can get the best of OpenAI with the highest level of access. So you get everything in the Plus plan with more unlimited accesses. Now, ChatGPT Pro has two key advantages over its free and Plus counterpart: an always online collection and unlimited access to GPT 4.0 with o1 Mini and advanced voice with audio only. Now, it can search the internet and up-to-date answer. For example, a persistent online connection means that if you want to ask who the current Prime Minister of India is, ChatGPT Pro will answer the question all the time, whereas ChatGPT Free may answer it only sometimes. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and ask it some news that currently or recently just happened. So let's go ahead and ask it. So let's say I'm going to go ask it who won the last UCL. Okay, so the UEFA Champions League, who won the last one? Now, as you can see, they say that in 2024, Real Madrid won their UEFA Champions League. Now, this is the ChatGPT free. Okay, now obviously to upgrade it to Plus, it might even give me better options with better details and better videos with better sources and a whole lot more. Now, the even better part is the fact that ChatGPT Pro gives you DALL-E 3. Now, what is DALL-E 3? DALL-E 3 is basically an image generator that OpenAI created for it. So, okay. So this is DALL-E 3, and it's a separate OpenAI software that you can use differently, but they also integrated it into your ChatGPT to work along with it, okay? And you can simply go ahead and write in your text bot like an illustration of an avocado sitting in a therapist's chair saying, "I just feel so empty inside," with a pit-sized hole in its center. The therapist, a spoon scribbles notes, and look at that. That is an amazing composition. So just like this, you can create things for yourself as well, but obviously not on the free plan. On the free plan, although you can go ahead and attach images as a reference for something. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and attach this image over here. And let's say I'm going to search, what is this? Okay. Let's just search that up and we're going to give it the reference image. And you're going to see that it will give you a detailed description, but it could be better. It could give me a better look at it. Now, ChatGPT Pro, on the other hand, will give me the proper source of this image, where this image came from, what the date of release was, everything. So that's the difference in ChatGPT Pro and ChatGPT Free. Now, do let me know down in the comments below what you think about these two and which one would you prefer for yourself. So that's pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.